Today we're going to be taking a look at the Soundboks Go, a battery-powered Bluetooth party speaker. And while this is the smallest of Soundboks' lineup of speakers, don't let its small size fool you, because this thing seriously has some massive output in sound quality. And we're going to go over all of that today. Hey everybody, how's it going? Daryl here, welcome to the channel. If you're interested in learning more about this speaker, I'll have a link below. And if you're new here, welcome. On this channel, we mostly talk about PA systems that a DJ would use at a professional paid gig. You'll see brands like EV, RCF, JBL, Mackie, and Soundboks really is a different target demographic. These are just meant to be simple, mobile, and loud. And to be honest, as somebody that has a mobile DJ company, it's nice that I have all this mobile DJ gear that I can use for family events, but I just wanted something a little bit simpler, something rugged, something with some serious volume that my family could use out in the backyard to listen to some music while enjoying the nice weather. And Soundboks also sent me this light. Another link in the description below if you want to check out this review. Also same concept, really bright, battery powered, super easy to use, and even my kids can operate this and they love this thing. And they can leave my par lights alone. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. First off, I gotta say, I do like the packaging. I do like that you can see the speaker right here. And I thought this detail was cool. As you open it, it invites you to download their mobile app. And then it says ready, set, and then a nice placard that tells you there's more to Soundboks that's not in this box, inviting you to download the app. There's the speaker right there inside. And you get your speaker and a nice manual. So before we go over the specs, let's take a closer look. So that is that front. It has this honeycomb grill on the front, and underneath you can see there's a tweeter and a speaker, as well as the Soundboks logo. And then on the top here, there's this adjustable handle that also embodies the Soundboks logo. It's made of a nice rubber material, and it's really good at holding the weight of the speaker. And there's this dial here, which I'll come back to in a moment when I turn this on, as well as some controls. Yeah, there's a little mark. There was like a neighborhood pumpkin painting thing, and my family took this, and I think some paint got on here. On the side here, here's an aux cable in, and you still have like this strap going all the way around to the bottom. And on this side here, if you're gonna use the app, that identifier is important. Then on the bottom, you have these adjustable straps with Velcro. Use this as a shoulder strap, as well as a 35mm hole. So you can put this on top of a speaker stand, which is totally optional, by the way. And all across the body, it has this protective rubber coating, as you can see on both sides, so that you can set this down. On the back here is the battery that comes pre-connected, and you can take the battery out. You can just unplug it, and this comes right out. Here's what that cavity looks like with no battery. And here is our battery with our Soundboks logo. Has this nice handle so you can take it out quite easily. And you charge it with a USB-C cable, which is not included, and it has a battery life indicator right here. So to see how much battery is left, you short press, and we'll tell you. I'm gonna put it back in the speaker first, unplug it in. Okay, and to turn it on, simply press right there. Adjust the volume, you simply spin this dial. So it displays 0 to 11. I like that detail a lot. And these have the ability to connect with other Soundboks speakers. So if you have multiple of these, like as a bigger installation or just a couple, you can have it join a network or host a network or just be by itself, which is basically what I'm gonna do. And then there's a Bluetooth symbol right there. It's blinking right now. It's wanting to connect, so we'll do that in a moment. With the battery installed, it's just shy of 21.5 pounds. It's about 17 inches wide, 9.5 inches deep, and 12 inches tall. This has a pretty good output of 121 dB. I was pretty impressed with the low-end output, which we'll go over in just a moment. The battery life is pretty good, so at mid-volume, it's 40 hours, and at full volume, it's at 10 hours. It takes 2 hours to recharge. It's a pretty large battery at 7.8 ampere hour, and the USB-C that we saw in the back can also output. And this is equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, as well as the Soundboks Team-Up connection, which is a SCA connection. You can connect up to 5 devices. And in the app, you can control just about anything on the speaker. And you can play this speaker while charging. So connecting to it is pretty easy, just like you would any other Bluetooth device. You do have to look at like the ID on the side right here, especially if you have multiple Soundboks devices. So let's connect to the app. So So you can see there's my Lightboks, here's my Soundboks Go, and I can control things like the volume, and you can control like the EQ, and there's like various profiles like bass, power, indoor, then custom. I'm gonna turn on my Lightboks for the demo, because why not? So let's go ahead and do a little demo. As effective as demos are for a YouTube video. So if you're a fan of the 80s, this is kind of meant to emulate a boombox on your shoulder. You also have this handle to carry it. 20 pounds isn't too bad. All right, what are my thoughts on the Soundboks Go? So this is basically all you need to have a party. You can carry in one trip. You got the music and then you got the light, and that's all you need to get going. I'm a big fan of the build quality. It looks really good. It feels very rugged. Like their advertising material says, like basically indestructible. It's IP65 rated. It is loud. I am pretty impressed with the sound output of this thing. This is not going to replace one of my PA systems that I use for mobile DJing. But to be honest, if you're doing a do-it-yourself party without a DJ, I think that this would do pretty good for a relatively large gathering, whether at your house or you're out in the middle of nowhere, which we have a lot of that here in Utah. And I was pretty impressed with the bass output of this. It includes a 10-inch woofer. But yeah, this speaker is easy to use. My family's already used it a few times. They love it. That's kind of what I got it for. I think this is a bit pricier than some of the other options you might find like at your local Walmart or Costco, but this definitely does deliver more as far as like the build quality, the app, and then the volume output. And volume output isn't just the only metric, it's like the quality of sound, and this definitely delivers in that regard. So as far as using this in a mobile DJ application, you could. Pretty much everywhere you would use a battery Bluetooth speaker. Especially with the rugged build quality and the IP65 rainproofing. But there really isn't like dedicated channel mixers, so you can't input like multiple microphones as well as music, so I wouldn't use it in that application, but it really wasn't designed for that. If you're interested in learning more about this speaker, I'll have a link below. What are your thoughts on the Soundboks Go? Let me know down below. Please smash like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.